What is 15N120 IGBT? This is a quick overview about the 15N120 IGBT. The 15N120 IGBT is a high voltage, high power transistor commonly found in equipment such as welding machine, induction heaters, and UPS system and power inverters. It is designed to switch large amount of electrical power efficiently and making it as an important component in many industrial and high power electronic circuits. The name 15N120 typically indicates a current rating of around 15 amps and a voltage rating of 1200 volt. This specification allows the device to handle demanding applications where ordinary transistors would not be suitable. Despite its relatively compact size, it can control significant amount of power when properly cooled. Once the reason the 15N120 IGBT is widely used in its combination of high voltage capability and efficient switching performance. It offers low power loss compared to some traditional transistor technologies, helping electronic systems to operate more efficiently and generate less heat during normal operation. When repairing electronic equipments, technicians often check the 15N120 IGBT. If a power circuit has failed, a damaged IGBT may show a short circuit between its terminals and preventing the equipment from working correctly. Replacing a faulty device from the correct equivalent can often restore normal operation and extend the life of the equipment.